Hello, it's Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. If you've had a really wet winter like I have, this is the flash flood in front of my house, then let's talk about slope erosion and a couple different ways to stop it from creating all kinds of mud havoc in your house. Here's a project I did last year here in San Diego. It had a front yard and a backyard that had some tough slopes. So a couple of important things. When you're building a retaining wall to stop that slope erosion, you must put a French drain in. It's really important because this redirects the water down into these drain pipes, and rather than running crazily onto your backyard or front yard, and then it goes down into those drain pipes and then gets daylighted out to the street or to a central drain system. So for this particular project, we're using these planter wall keystone blocks. This is the color Tuscan, and it's produced by Angelus here in Southern California. Great blocks. These are gravity stacked blocks. They are not pinned together. They're not glued together. They're not mortared together. They're just big, heavy blocks. Each one of these clocks in at about 25 pounds. And it's really important when you're doing these retaining walls that A, you make sure you know what the codes are as far as what's the permissible height without a permit. Here in San Diego, it's 3 feet. And B, you make sure that bottom course is completely level. If you don't have a level course, bottom course on a solid footing, your wall is going to have problems. So now let's look at the front yard where we have a much tougher slope. This was the far more dangerous slope because it was a very steep slope and it was on a street. So the first thing we did to get ahead of the rains that were coming was to put this jute netting to cover the whole slope. Now eventually we're going to plant that full of all kinds of succulents to cover it up, but we needed to stabilize the slope before we could put it in. So using the same keystone blocks, we dug a big footing and poured in that gravel stack. And again, the guys did a tremendous job making sure that bottom footing was completely level. Now, this particular project also had a slope going down the property. So we just had to step the wall down across the whole property. Well, that's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Big shout out to Juan with Unique Landscaping. They did a great job on all of these projects, and I hope this helps you with your landscape project. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.